You've probably seen those new viral videos of Bigfoot. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate them yourself.
So let's not waste any more time and get started.
We're fighting an army of robots.
First of all, these new AI videos are generated using Google's Veo3 model. To access Veo3, you'll need a Google One account. They offer free options: a free plan, a mid-tier plan, and a very expensive plan. Luckily for us, the mid-tier plan comes with a 1-month free trial of Veo3, so you won't have to pay anything upfront and you'll be able to cancel your subscription at any time.
Nice.
So go ahead and select that option in order to test the product. Then go over to Gemini and you'll notice that you now have the option to generate videos. Veo3's biggest feature is that it can generate lip-synced dialogue, which makes the videos look a lot more realistic. However, keep in mind that Veo3 is currently only being tested in the United States, so if you're outside the US, you're only getting access to Veo2 and not Veo3. Check out our video description if you're looking for some tips on how to get around that. So now that you've made your Google One account and have access to Veo3, you can give Gemini a prompt to generate a video. Think of a detailed scene and make sure to include some dialogue as well to take advantage of Veo3's new tech. If you need some inspiration, you can use ChatGPT or Gemini itself to help you come up with a prompt. Just start with your idea, like a Bigfoot running through the forest holding an energy drink bottle. Then make sure to specify that it should include dialogue and describe what it should say. You can also ask it to add sound effects, camera movements, or specify the recording style like handheld, low drone shot, or a vlog. The more descriptive you are, the closer to your vision the final result will be. Don't forget to mention that you want the video to be 8 seconds long and that the prompts should be compatible with Google's Veo3. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and return to Gemini. Select the Veo video option and make sure it's Veo3 and then hit enter. Keep in mind that the videos won't always come out perfectly, so you might have to adjust the movement, the voice, and the videos. Veo3's biggest limitation is the length, with each video only being 8 seconds long. That's why for longer videos, you'll need to break them up into multiple scenes. Don't worry though, stitching your Veo3 clips together is easy if you use an online tool like Flixier. You just need to go to Flixier.com, upload your clips, and then place them on the timeline. From here, you can trim them, add transitions, insert subtitles, or make any other adjustments you want. Don't forget that Veo3 currently only generates clips in landscape resolution, so if you want to use them in TikToks or Reels, you'll have to crop them to portrait. You can do that pretty easily with Flixier as well. Just click here to change the video resolution to a vertical one and then drag your video around to reframe it. Oh, and one more thing, the free version of Veo3 only lets you generate 3 videos per day. But there is an alternative. You can use Flixier's Video GPT, which lets you generate videos based on a prompt or a script. You can then add your own voice or use one of Flixier's AI-generated voices. Sure, these videos aren't as realistic as the ones generated with Veo3, but depending on your project, you might be able to combine them with Veo3 videos. Don't forget, with Flixier Video GPT, all you need is an idea and it will create the script for you. Depending on what you choose, it can create stock footage, AI-generated images, or even AI-generated videos. And your video can be ready in just a few minutes. If you want tips on AI and content creation as well as Flixier tutorials, check out our YouTube channel. You'll find tons of helpful content there. Until next time, happy editing!